I didn't think they were gonna be that cute.
I don't understand what your taste is.
I was so shocked and like overwhelmed, but it was.
I was just in the way, honestly. It was like Baby Yoda there, like.
So here is the recipe. You guys can screenshot this. It's so delicious. Okay, so we've got our honey, our peanut butter, our sunflower seeds. I just used a meat tenderizer to chop up the peanuts. I'm using dry roasted and honey roasted. So it gives it a nice flavor. And then we're just gonna cover this and set it in the fridge. And then in a few hours, Kyle can cut it into pieces. This looks nice.
Yeah, I forget that I have this.
Bye, love you. Doing a very quick makeup look, just using my IT Cosmetics CC cream and the Bye Bye Under Eye Concealer. I have this bad habit of just using a face mist to wet my beauty blender, but honestly, I'll just show you. I think it works pretty well. Lighting here sucks, I'm so sorry, but I'm just using, man, I'm all IT Cosmetics today. IT Cosmetics translucent powder with an IT Cosmetics brush. Super easy. Then I was sent a little PR package. I should have done this before I put on the black shirt. I was sent a PR package from Ipsy. You guys know I work with them, but this was like an additional benefit for Ipsy. And they sent so many new goodies. And I was jealous because I've been seeing everybody with the new cookie highlighter, but this was in there. And guys, it's beautiful. So I'll be using that today. I'm also gonna use Hoola bronzer. My cornbread's done. And there we go, finished look. I actually really like how this outfit turned out too. This is a Free People skirt. I don't know where I got this bodysuit, and I have suede high-waisted boots.
To receive and feed our souls on the bread of life. Amen. And thank you so much for all these people that came this weekend to be with us all. And I hope everybody's having a good time, and hopefully you have a safe trip home. Amen.
Amen.
Thanks, Granny.
Thanks, Dolores. But no, he's true. He's not making.
Wanted to show you guys a little haul. I finally got a pair of mom jeans, and don't mind the mess in the background, we're working with it, but these are so comfy and really flattering. I feel like the mirror isn't really doing it justice. I got my normal size, which is an 8, and I have way more room in these jeans than I do in my 8 skinny jeans from American Eagle, but they're super flattering on the butt. I didn't think they were gonna be that cute. So I love this, and everything is 40% off right now. This like balloon sleeve sweater is as well. I'll have links for everything. The shoes are Sam Edelman, they're not American Eagle, but this is like so cute. And then the next piece is this like oversized balloon cardigan. I love this because from lifting, I have bigger arms, and I feel like cardigans can like cling to my arms. But I really like these like big ones. Because you can get your normal size without it being like, if you size up too much to get the oversized look, it can look like disheveled, but this I feel looks really good. Seriously, like these jeans are a must. And part of my order isn't here yet, but I'll just show you these anyway. They're super cute little doe Christmas socks. I always order a different pair from American Eagle every year. And then these like antique looking studded barrettes. I like that they have the teaked metal versus like really harsh brass. It just looks really classy. What's up, guys? So, let's see if I can get some light in here. Gosh, I did nothing. I really did nothing. Okay, so we were out like the majority of the afternoon looking at mattresses, going to Lowe's, getting our washer and dryer figured out. Too firm?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Not this one. What do you think?
It's soft.
You would like this one.
Why?
It's cushiony.
I don't know.
It's like,
Oh God, no.
what?
Nope.
I don't understand what your taste is. What?
Yeah.
Interesting.
Well, I like this.
I wonder how like sturdy it is.
Zero gravity mode,
I don't know.
and it vibrates.
I'll get you a chair that does it.
Deal.
I just like if the bed broke, you know.
I'd be so sad.
Now I am doing some meal prep and Kyle is getting a drink with one of our buddies. I did not sleep well last night, so I'm laying low. We have a really busy tomorrow. We have a busy Saturday. So I just wanted to get this done. I'm making some roasted sweet potatoes, and this is the best way to do it. 465 Fahrenheit, and slice them little rounds like this. Little cooking spray and some Himalayan sea salt for like 20 minutes each side, and they're so good. And then I like them cold because they become like cake. The white sweet potatoes are so much more like dense than a normal yam. The yams have a lot more water content, and so the resistance starch in the white sweet potatoes makes them like real dense and cakey. So when you get them out of the fridge, they're so good. You can put a little bit of almond butter on them, and it is like the best thing ever. And I have high carbs this weekend, so I'm having sweet potatoes and I'm very excited about it. And then also going to just roast some chicken, kind of my standard stuff that you guys see all the time. Nothing really else to show you. I can show you what the sweet potatoes look like. But we did order our washer and dryer, which I'm really excited about. For mattresses, like, we couldn't really agree on ones that we liked. We went to like Mattress Firm, and we can't buy a Tempur-Pedic right now. It's just not in the budge. And we've heard really good things about Performa Sleep, and I really like my Lowe mattress. So the reviews for Performa Sleep are a little bit better than Lowe, so I'm like, we have to like it then. So I think we're gonna get that. It's like major sale right now. If any of you guys have it, let me know. Basically, this is like the month of take all my money. And Kyle, he's feeling the same way. But yeah, so I'm just gonna get this finish up our Christmas list for everybody, and have a very low-key Friday night, because I am a sleepy girl. It is later in the afternoon on Saturday. We just got back from a very long day. We were up getting driver's license and running errands and stuff. Had a lovely lunch with my aunt, which was very nice. And I am just gonna work on some editing stuff before Kyle gets home, and then we will see where the day takes us. I need to get my Christmas decorations out, ready to decorate our tree, but I have to get my work done first, because it's like a reward, you know, to decorate the tree. Like, I feel like I need to earn it. So Also, I wanted to say hello to Stacy for coming up to me at the driver's license center today. It was so nice to meet you. I was so shocked and like overwhelmed, but it was so nice to meet you, and I hope you and your family have an amazing holiday. By the way, if anyone ever sees me out in public, please say hi. I absolutely love it. Change of plans. I'm not gonna edit pictures right now. I'm gonna clean the house, put away my fall decor and categorize it. I'm gonna show you guys how I organize it so that way I know what I have so I don't over buy things every year. And then I'm gonna photograph the fall decor so I have pictures to coordinate with the decoration catalog that I'm gonna make. And then we're gonna decorate for Christmas. That's what we're doing. Be a Christmas miracle. What? If it sticks. Can you tell the people what we're doing?
I'm putting a sticker on my bike.
No, the workout.
Musical biking.
1 hour. I get to pick Christmas music.
I will not pick Christmas music.
So we are at Lowe's right now picking up our washer and dryer. I'm very excited. It's going in the garage for the next month, but Kyle went to go grab tarps, and we need to get some Christmas decorations for outside of the townhouse because we're going to be there for Christmas, and it's December 1st, so everything is very festive, and I'm super excited. It's very cold and it's very wet. Kyle's outside strapping everything in. I was just in the way, honestly. It was like Baby Yoda there, like. Ride home's not going so well. So I know this vlog was like all over the place, and that's because we were all over the place. It is Sunday night. It's like 8:30. I haven't even had like a meal since noon. I just got back from my parents. Kyle left back for training stuff, and he'll be back again this weekend. Another busy weekend coming up. Just making some quick cauliflower rice, but I just wanted to end Vlogmas day 1 or weekend 1. I'm only going to be doing a couple of Vlogmases per week just because of my schedule, and I promise they're gonna get more entertaining. I know this one was probably very lackluster, but we've got lots of like Christmas stuff coming up. I'm excited. We got some things at Lowe's today. I'll show you tomorrow when it's light out and you can actually see everything, but I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for supporting my channel, watching my content. If you guys have not clicked subscribe, I would love for you guys to join the family. You guys can also follow along on social. Also, I wanted to say a quick shout out again to Stacy. It was so nice to meet you this past Saturday. I hope you guys enjoyed your Thanksgiving, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.